Let's stir up some beautiful butter chicken, which is going to taste as good as it looks. So to get this started, what you'll need are 3 chicken breasts cubed, half cup plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, 2 tablespoons tandoori masala, half a lemon, 1/4 cup butter, 2 cups of tomato paste, 1 cup half and half cream, and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek leaves. You can find these at any Indian grocery store. So first we're going to make our marinade with the chicken, the spices, the garlic, the yogurt, and the lemon. You're going to mix this all together really well, and you're going to leave this, if possible, overnight in the refrigerator. Or if you're short on time, leave it aside on your counter for at least 2 hours. You want the marinade to work its magic and really get deep into the chicken breast. So when you're stirring it together, you can use your fork to poke some holes into the meat so the marinade gets really deep into the meat, so when you cut into it, it doesn't taste bland. This is just a tip that I have, and it works every single time. Once your marinade is ready, you want to cover it with a lid or saran wrap, and then I'm going to refrigerate it overnight. So the next day, I'm going to line my baking sheet with foil paper, and then I'm going to add my chicken to it. You can do this in a dish or a cookie sheet, whatever you have. You want to make sure that the chicken is on an even layer, so each and every piece cooks well. This is going to be halfway cooked, I'd say. You want to make this at 375 degrees for 30 minutes, and this is how it should look once it comes out of the oven. The rest of it will cook with the sauce. Now you're going to take a pot, put it on medium flame on your stovetop, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then add your butter. This is another tip. You want to add some olive oil so the butter does not burn in the pot, and slowly start to melt your butter. You can keep your heat at medium flame for this part, and once the butter is completely melted, what we're going to do is go back to our chicken that we baked, and we're going to add our chicken as well as any marinade left in the foil paper into our butter. Just be careful here, you don't want to burn yourself. Once you have added your chicken, you're going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes or so until all the butter is coating each and every piece of the chicken meat. Once this is done, you can throw in a couple green chilies, and then once it's fully ready after 10 minutes, you can check it and the oil should separate once you move it aside. This is a sign that shows your chicken is cooked. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add your tomato paste to this mixture, and you're going to let this simmer. You're going to stir this really well before you set it on simmer to make sure that the tomato sauce mixes in really well with the chicken and the tandoori masala in there. And once this is ready, what you can do is just cover the lid and let this cook on low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes max. You don't have to open the lid, you don't have to stir it, just let it do its magic. Once it's done, come back, you open the lid, and right away you can smell the aromas of the tomato and the butter, and oh my goodness, smells amazing. You're ready to add your half and half cream to this. This is essentially the last step. Some people do like to add a dollop of sour cream. I prefer not to, as this tastes just perfect for me. Again, stir really well. You want to then add your fenugreek leaves to this. Now, fenugreek leaves have a really nice fragrance that just completes this dish and takes it to the next level, and that's what we want. So stir this really well. You can see the color of the texture of the butter chicken, and it's still a little liquidy, so what we're gonna do is we're going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes on low flame and cover your pot with its lid. After 10 to 15 minutes, once you come back, you can see that our butter chicken is complete. Give it a few more stirs if you like, just to make sure that the sauce is to your liking. It should be the consistency of a creamy soup, I would say, and this is just perfect. You can test the meat to ensure that it is cooked. Try to break one piece and it should break easily. Again, this is how the dish will look once it's completely done, and you can enjoy this with rice or naan bread. Thank you so much. Here are the ingredients for you once again to screenshot, and definitely give this a try. Let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you really try this dish and fall in love with butter chicken once all over again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, keep stirring it up.